That's all you ask of me, darling, it is no joke. This is lycanthropy. The moon's awake now, with eyes wide open. My body is craving, so feed the hungry. I've been devoting myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Not getting enough retribution or decent incentives to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused, like a coffee machine in an outfit. So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy to get me a lover and tell you about it. She was in the closet, open up and set us free. She was in your closet, let it out so it can breathe. Sitting across the bar, staring right at her face. It's going well so far, she's gonna get her way. Nocturnal creatures are not so prudent. The moon's my teacher, and I'm her student. To look at the single man, I got only a special radar. On the fire department hotline in case I get in trouble later. Not looking for cute little divas or rich city guys who just want to enjoy. Having a very good time and behave very bad in the arms of a boy. Here's how she was.